Also guys, I'm going to show you another website you can use to generate your Grok videos and Seedance videos. And if this particular website has a lot of other top models you can make use of. I'll be showing you this website and guide you through how to go about it. So if you're ready, let's just go straight into the video.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using. I will pin the link to this website in the comment section. Go check it out. So once you're here, you are going to need to sign up to an account in case so now once you're here, you just wait for this to finish loading, then you click on this. Then I'll now click on sign in with Google. Alright, once you've gone ahead to log in, sign up with your Google account, is going to bring you to an interface like this. So now once you're here, the next thing you can see, you are being given $1 to use and generate your videos. So that's to test out this website out. So now what you're going to do, I'm going to come to where you have this all generator. So once I am here, you can see from here, you can see from this is for image. Note, if you want to generate an image, this is the one you are going to be making it up. But I'm going, instead of wasting my end, I don't want to generate any image for this. I will just go straight. I want to generate to. So you just come to where you have your this video. Just switch to video and say if you want to do audio, avatar, all you can do from here. But I'm going to be using video. Make sure you're on video. Now you can see on video. Now you can see we have Seedance. You come over here, you see we have all these top models here. What you can just simply do is to scroll down. See, if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of them you can make use of. So if you're for this, you can see we have Grok Imagine here. If you select Grok Imagine, you'll see it's going to cost you this amount 0.3 to use Grok Imagine. Then if you have to use Grok 1.5, it's going to cost you this amount. So it just depends. You can check all the Seedance 1.5 Pro is going to cost you this amount. You can see. So it just depends on what you want to do. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. If you want to use Grok, is Grok, you have Grok here. Now if you choose this particular one, Seedance 2.0, let's say you choose any of this, it's going to, with the credits you have, it's not going to be enough for you to generate. Can see. So for this tutorial, I want to save my you can see the cost of using Grok. You can see 0.03 for this. For if I want to generate for 5-6 seconds video, that's how much it's going to cost me. For 10 seconds video, it's going to cost me 0.5. So you can just try all this out yourself. So let me say I want to save my credits, since I'm going to be making use of Seedance 2.1 for this. Now you can see for this one, now I'm going to check the duration. We have 5 seconds. If I should make it 6 seconds, it's still the same thing with the Grok. So now you can see if I should turn it to, let's say, 10 seconds, it's even cost more expensive than that of a Grok. So you just look at the one that is. I just wanted to show you what you can do with that. You can have access to cheaper Grok and also Seedance on this particular platform. But for this, I'm going to stick with the one I have seen that is cheaper, which is Grok. So I'm going to make use of Grok Imagine. Yeah, so I see Sora. You can see the cost for Sora. So let me just use the Grok Imagine. So now I'm going to be sticking with what I just want to generate. It's not going to go be long. So you can see by the time you can see we have 720p here. If you should reduce it to this, it's still going to cost you this. So let's say that credits is going to cost me still. So I'm going to, since it doesn't affect I'm going to stick to the 720. So with the aspect ratio, I'm going to set it to be 16:9. Then on where you can see where when you click here, you can upload your image. This way, if you want to upload your image, you just click on it and bring in your image. But for this generation, I'm going to do it without an image. So I'm just going to paste in my prompts here. I've pasted in my prompts. Now you can see my model is Grok Imagine. I'm using entered my prompts. Then this particular one I can do with image. I cannot, but I decided to not to. I just want to generate it from text. So after that, your duration, you can set your duration, your resolution, your aspect ratio. Then once you are done, you just click on generate. And see, once you click on generate, you can see it has started generating. So you just need to just wait a little, and you are going to see, you can see how fast the website is. It's fast enough when it comes to generating of videos. Alright guys, you can see my video is done generating. You can see what it generated for me. So I can, or if you want to download, you can just simply just click on this to download it, or you click on this icon and click on that word, say anyone will download your video for you. You can see mine is downloaded. So I'll be playing it everything at the end of the video, so you will see how it looks like. So now what if I wanted to, you can see, if you scroll up, I still have this script to use. So let me say I want to use the same model, but I want to use different model. Let me say I want to use let me show you Seedance 1.0. Let's say I want to use this particular one. You can see it's custom this, and I'm going to do, let me say 5, 4. Okay, let me stick to 5. Let me say I want to do 5 seconds. It's going to cost me this amount. And let me see if there's effects. Okay, for this particular one, if I should choose, you can see this from what I'm okay. Let me make this 6 seconds like the other one, like the one we just generated. Okay, it's going to cost me this if I'm to use 480p. So you can see the difference. So if I'm to do, depending on the quality of what you want to be generated, so I think this one is somehow the cheapest you can go use so far. So once you can bring in your image. Once you click here, you can bring in your image. That's the starting, and this is the ending. If you have a start and the end, you can also bring it in. So I'm going to be using the same prompts to generate. I'm going to click on generate. So once I click on generate, they're going to see, guys, it has started generating again. I can see I still have 0.5 to use. So you just keep on. I just wanted to show you like the best approach you can use, the best settings you can use, the best. So you can see this one's also generate for me very, very well. So you can, instead of probably going for a higher version, you can just, this other ones will still give you something to work with. So I just wanted to show you how everything works. You can see this is the one Seedance has generated for me. So now I'm going to just click on download, and it's going to start downloading the video for me. So you can see it's done downloading. So I'll be playing all this at the end of the videos. But guys, you need to try this particular website out and let me know if you are going to be using this for your generation, or if after using it, it helped you're able to generate using this particular platform. I would like to know your take. And guys, just try it out, because I don't know how long they'll continue giving this credits to you. So just seize this opportunity now and use it. Otherwise, it's still working.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.